Welcome to the Goodman brand showroom. It's part of the DTTP, which is the largest HVAC manufacturing facility in North America. The showroom is a very special place. In fact, it's the only place on earth where you will find a concentrated overview of the Goodman product line and the ability to view the many facets that make the Goodman brand a leader in the HVAC industry. Behind me is a display that highlights the history of the Goodman brand. From a humble beginning founded by one of the largest HVAC dealers in North America to a member of the largest HVAC manufacturer in the world. You can observe the strategic milestones the organization achieved as it became one of the fastest growing and most successful brands in the industry. Because the founder of the company was a local HVAC dealer, the organization has always been focused on our customers. Everything everyone in the organization does is directly related to enhancing the comfort of our customers on many levels. All Goodman products are designed, engineered, and assembled in the United States. This section of the showroom gives additional testament to this great achievement. Many Goodman brand units may look simply like gray boxes, but they are really red, white, and blue. For an overview of the technology that sets the Goodman brand apart from others, simply take a look at this area of the showroom. In this section, you will find why Goodman heat pumps offer more enhancements compared to other brands. Further, you can discover the benefits of Smart Coil and view all aluminum evaporator coils and high-efficiency heat exchangers with wrinkle bin technology. Next on our tour stop are the Goodman brand packaged units. These high-efficiency self-contained units offer customers many advantages, including heat exchangers with wrinkle bin technology, single-side access doors, and much more. Of course, the product line includes straight cooling, heat pump, and gas electric models. With this product line, Goodman offers a complete package. Moving on, here is the Clean Comfort Indoor Air Essentials product line. That's right, I said essentials. Simply offering heated or cold air to indoor environments is not enough anymore. Smart dealers and homeowners know that indoor comfort isn't fully complete without proper humidification, dehumidification, filtration, and ventilation. The Universal Clean Comfort product line offers a wide array of products that provide a specialized treatment of indoor air that is essential for achieving enhanced levels of human comfort. Essential components required to manufacture high-quality heating and cooling systems include a dedicated commitment to safety and training of many employees. This portion of the showroom is dedicated to the dojos, where workers learn how to become better specialists regardless of their performance level when they join the organization. Also, various safety procedures are learned in the dojos so that every employee performs their job not only in a safe environment, but with an introduction and education for the safety gear necessary to provide the proper protection. Here is a bank of fully operational HVAC systems. Each energy-efficient system is connected to a matched outdoor unit and controlled by a different brand of thermostat. These high-efficiency systems help to demonstrate the various product enhancements you will find in the Goodman brand and see that performance in real time. Next on our tour stop is the Comfort Home Automation display. This suite of smart home automation systems includes solutions for indoor air, water, energy, access, and awareness. Imagine a system that allows you to view your front door from anywhere an internet connection is available, or automatically shut the main water supply and send you an alert, or monitor energy use. Even then, you'd have just a partial understanding of the many benefits that this expandable product line offers to practically any smart home and smart home owner. The next area provides an entertaining overview of the many marketing materials that support the Goodman brand. Providing product knowledge and value to our customers is of paramount importance to the entire Goodman organization. That's why the Goodman website is loaded with information about the organization and its products. We want customers to make well-informed decisions regarding their indoor comfort. The Goodman brand is active in several social media outlets. There are video and digital clips that provide great information about the best way to select an HVAC system. There is even a magazine that highlights how the Goodman brand can offer a good life to anyone interested. You may have noticed this large structure in the center of the showroom. Several 90-inch monitors display how Goodman products make indoor life so comfortable that each year millions and millions of homeowners say, "Thank goodness for Goodman." Well, we're back to the starting point of our quick showroom tour. This overview only scratched the surface of the information, technology, and total value that the Goodman brand delivers every day to more and more customers. Thanks for taking this quick tour with me today.